everybody, Chef Jana here, welcome back. Today we're going to make something simple yet very delicious. As always, we're going to make tuna salad. Only a few ingredients, simple, the things that you probably have laying around in the kitchen. So let's start. I have been trying other mock meats and even canned vegan tuna, and it's like a little bit nasty to say. Sorry, but it is. I mean, seriously, it was not good. So chickpea so far has proven to be the best, not tuna substitute, but the thing that it is closer to what it is tuna. And the fact that chickpeas is very lean and clean protein, very easy for your body to absorb. Come on, what's better than that? If you want to cook your own chickpea, you by all means, you can do that. I don't like to blend it in a food processor, but if you like to use the food processor, you pulse it so you don't have that too mushy. You still want some bites and chunks for a little bit texture. You're almost done here. What I have here is some vegan mayonnaise that I made the other day. Click on the link above. And then I had a little bit of cream cheese laying on my fridge. So that's what I'm mixing here. Just for a little bit of moist. If you don't want to add that, you don't have to. You can add, my God, I'm really brain dead today. Soy milk, unsweetened soy milk. With a few drops of lemon. That'll do, because the job here is just to make things a little bit more moist and glue everything together. So anything in that category will do. Or you can only use some olive oil, good quality extra virgin olive oil. Finally, I'm saying to you guys that you can use olive oil. Yeah, for this purpose you can. You should actually. Now, salt and pepper to taste. I am using pink salt. I love to use it raw. It's actually better to use it raw and not cook it. And almost empty black pepper. As much as you like. A little bit of garlic powder. You can add natural garlic if you prefer. But because this is, like I said, really quick, I didn't want to bother. I'm gonna chop some onions very finely. How much onions? As much as you like. I love onions. For me, the more the better. So I'm adding here, I think that it's approximately half a cup. Oh, how much is half a cup? 1 cup, it's 240 milliliters approximately, so half a cup is half that quantity. All right, in you go. Onions, fairly small, like chop it really finely. Some green onions. Love green onions on tuna. Love, love, love. Now the leaves. The leaves are a little bit more mild than the white bulb. Almost. Okay. Parsley, fresh parsley. Can you add coriander? By all means, yes. You can add coriander. Coriander is the official herb for fish and seafood, isn't it? So yes, of course you can do that. Dill, of course you can. Just make it the way you like it. You wouldn't believe how good this tastes. It's so delicious. Now, we're going to make the sandwich with some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, with some lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce. I love that for salads and for sandwiches because it's really crunchy. And Pickles. Remember we made pickles? Click on the link above. You know that little circle there? Yeah. It'll take you to the sweet and sour pickles recipe that we made, but not now. Wait until the end. And then you can go. Not now. Now you're gonna watch until the end. And the tuna. Look at this beauty thing here. Come on. Let's cut this in half so you guys can see how beautiful this sandwich is. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Phenomenal. Now, let's do the test. Yepe! Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget the drill, like, share, subscribe, pass along, comments, the whole thing. Then I see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.